Hello, good day. My name is Muammar BI, living in the Philippines. So my skills is forklift driver. I worked before last 2018 from Qatar. This is my certificate of employment as a forklift driver. Hope you see there. Okay. Then after that, after 2 years, I'm going to the Hungary. I'm working there. Then this is my standard employment contract from Hungary. So I'm working 2 years there. And before time, uh, I'm working in Qatar. So my contract finish. They will give an training course as a forklift driver. So this is the proof. So this is from Qatar. So my name of the company in Qatar is BSI Steel Building System Integration. So this is a steel company. So we fabricate the steel. So we made the building accessories like that. So after that, as you can see, this is my achievement. This is my house. So I am very thankful because I'm working abroad. Now I have a shelter. So from now, I hope uh, reach this out. So if you can watch, hope you will join your team. And then thank you very much. And that's all.